Hi everyone, I'm Slaya, and today I'll show you how to enable HVCI for Valorant. If you're ready, let's get started. First, type Windows Security in the search bar in the bottom left corner and open it. Click on Device Security. Click Core Isolation Details. Turn on Memory Integrity. If it's already active, try the second method I'll show you. Let's move on to the second method. Type Edit Group Policy in the search bar and open it. In the window that opens, double-click on Administrative Templates. Then double-click the System file. Double-click to open the Device Guard folder as well. Again, double-click to open the Turn on Virtualization-based security file. In the window that opens, check the Enabled box. Finally, click the Apply button and then the OK button. For the features we've activated to work correctly, you need to restart your computer. I hope this tutorial video on how to enable HVCI for Valorant was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Slaya YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.